Navigate to the Shopify Orders dashboard located on the side menu. Click Create Order. Click the search box under Search or Create a Customer, then click Create a New Customer. Enter your shipping details or any address you choose, then click Save Customer. Search for the Shopify product you would like to order by using the search bar, or click Browse and select the product from there. Click Add. Choose a shipping option by clicking Add Shipping or Delivery under Payment. Click Mark as Paid, then click Create Order.
Next, the order will be sent to your Lulu Direct Channel Orders dashboard. Note that orders may take up to 20 minutes to appear on the page. On Lulu, click My Stores from the top menu, then click Channel Orders. You should see your test order listed here. If you have automatic order approval and automatic payments enabled in your Lulu Direct Store settings, the order will automatically be charged and sent into production after your set production delay is complete. If you do not have automatic order approval or automatic payments enabled, the order will stay on your dashboard marked Action Required until you manually approve and pay for the order. In the case of an unapproved order, click the order to open it, scroll to the bottom, and click Approve. After the approval process, a payment button will appear. You may choose to pay for the order and let your product print and ship, or you can cancel the order by clicking the Cancel button.